Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know your ISP plan and ensure the modem supports that speed. Next, power cycle modem and router. Unplug 30 seconds, plug back in, and watch LEDs stabilize. While devices reboot, move the router to a central, elevated spot, away from microwaves and cordless phones. Once done, log into the router's admin page using the label or default IP. Change the default password and set WPA3 or WPA2AES security so you have control before doing deeper adjustments. You should update router firmware first to fix performance bugs, then switch bands. Use 5 GHz for capacity and 4 GHz for range. Scan for congested channels and pick the clearest one, and enable automatic channel selection if available. Configure CoS to prioritize work devices or streaming, throttle heavy background uploads. Make wired Ethernet the default for TVs or desktop PCs, and add a mesh or a wired extender for persistent dead zones. These changes directly reduce contention and stabilize throughput across devices. You finish by validating results. Run speed tests near the router and in problem rooms at different times of day, record numbers, and compare to your plan. If inconsistent, factory reset the router as a last resort, then immediately reconfigure security and firmware. If problems remain after these steps, compile your test logs, device MACs, and firmware versions, and contact your ISP. Explain the troubleshooting you've done so they can check line signals or swap equipment. One troubleshooting tip: isolate devices to find a misbehaving client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.